Hello everyone. Leo asked me to cover on this guide for the new players of GYEE, so they aren't struggling so much with figuring out what to do with their GYEEs. He also suggested that I wear this casual cosmic attire for the occasion. He certainly has an interesting taste in clothing. Anyways, let's get started, shall we? Today we will cover on how to strengthen your GYEEs. There are 4 different ways to strengthen them: Intimacy, Epiphany, Weapon, and Imprint. You can strengthen the intimacy of your GYEEs by doing the following. 1. Inviting them to the hottie bar. 2. Giving gifts to your GYEEs. 3. Intimacy quests from gift giving. 4. Interacting with them in the airship. And 5. Playing with them in Dark Flux, Perversion, Nightmare, Extreme Fight, Inner Nexus, and Arcana Tracker. Next is Epiphany. In the world of GYEE, this is what we call our awakening potential. Epiphany strengthens our base stats per level increased. You can only increase the Epiphany level by using image shards, specifically common image shards. There are image shards for each GYEE, but they are harder to obtain than common image shards. There are a total of 6 Epiphany levels, and also, some GYEEs require using illumination materials to break through to the next Epiphany level. Rare grade GYEEs reach their first breakthrough at level 4 Epiphany, and their second one at level 5. Super rare grade GYEEs reach their first and only breakthrough at level 5 Epiphany. You may be wondering how you obtain illumination materials. Well, let me tell you before our next topic. Some ways to obtain illumination are from the monthly arena rank reset, clearing nightmare mode chapters, and redeeming Flux Shock event materials. Now let's move on to the next topic of strengthening your GYEEs, which is their weapon. The current maximum weapon level at this time is 14. You can strengthen your GYEEs' weapons by carving runes. Rune carving requires obtaining gemstones from Dark Flux chapters. When the weapon level of your GYEE reaches level 3, you unlock its enchantment system. This system allows you to obtain higher stats for your GYEEs. It is not recommended to follow the thumbs up icon for these enchantments. Each GYEE benefits from a specific enchantment build. Observing their kits will give you an idea on what stats to enchant. And in time, Leo will post some videos for you guys that will give you an idea of what stats to enchant for each GYEE. Just be patient. He's doing his best to cook these guides for you all. Now let's move on to the last topic of strengthening your GYEEs, the imprint system. The imprint system contains 3 types of imprints. 1. Engraving imprint. 2. Skill imprint. And 3. Lucky coin. The engraving imprint is a basic imprint given to your GYEE. The stats on this imprint cannot be changed. The maximum level for it is 25, and at that level, it also unlocks the lucky coin imprint. The lucky coin imprint allows you to gain a damage increase and damage reduction stat. The front gives the damage increase and the back gives damage reduction. Aside from gold, you will also need Inner Nexus Flux materials in order to roll on the stats for the lucky coin imprint. You can obtain them from defeating floors in Inner Nexus. The skill imprint has 3 different types of imprint selections: Common, Arcana, and GYEE. Common imprints can be unlocked by using points obtained from Inner Nexus. Arcana imprints are unlocked from each avatar you obtain. GYEE imprints are unlocked from owning the GYEE associated with it. There is a third effect for each of these imprints. In order to unlock this third effect, you have to do the following. Common imprints require your GYEE to have level 6 Epiphany. Arcana imprints require the specified avatar to be at level 20 skills spec. And finally, GYEE imprints require the specified GYEE to reach level 6 Epiphany. As a good tip to follow, do not worry about getting these imprints as soon as you can. They are only useful when you meet all their unlocking criteria. I hope you enjoyed this guide that Leo put together for me to cover on. It is certainly impressive with how in-depth he can be. Tell him I said thank you, and I look forward to being in another video. And don't forget, if you enjoyed this video, please be sure to like and subscribe. It helps Leo out a lot, and he is always thankful for your support. Take care now.